YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl, Where Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, tell your mama and them and they partners in them, because we're litty over here. And without further ado, we got an unboxing. Bada boom, bada bang. Y'all see it? It's Chanel. Y'all, look at it. Is that velvet? Y'all, I thought this was so cute. This is the Chanel. It's like in a medium size, but it's made out of that like terry. Can't even talk. Terry cloth. Y'all know back in the Juicy Couture days when we all had them terry cloth jogging suits, kind of velour. Yeah, but this definitely feel more terry cloth than velour. The inside is given shiny. Steel pink. This is so cute, y'all. Like, it's adjustable. Definitely you can adjust it for a shorter or long size. And you have a zipper in the inside. Pink. And I love that they went off the pink vibes instead of just making the inside white, because when something is white you can see the stains in the inside. But you know, I still would advise to use like an insert if you can, or try to make sure you don't spill nothing in your purse. So let's see what we can put in this bag. I purchased some goodies from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, some other stuff. So let's see. Compact mirror. Got to make sure that everything be looking fly and cute. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, baby. How y'all doing, y'all? This the new year. How your family doing? How everybody doing? Don't let them kids get on your nerves, y'all. It's the new year. Don't let them kids stressing you out, trying to give you they last minute school supply list or last minute field trips and stuff. Don't let it stress you out this year. We are not going into the new year. We're not getting stressed out. We got nail glue, my famous that I live by, this nail glue from the beauty supply store. Put that in there. What else? Kleenex. Y'all know my eyes or my nose is always watering, especially with the allergies. This is y'all know the bandages I use for my nails in case I break a nail in public. You never know. A knife, pink knife to match the pink vibes. It's a comb knife, which means when you take the head off the comb, it turns into a knife. You gotta do what you gotta do. Also, y'all know we love the little card grippers for us long nail gals. Y'all, you need this. It's basically, you could use it to get stuff in and out the card thing. Baby, I'm telling you. Or you can use that for that, or to help you put on like jewelry. Like if you're putting on your bracelets and stuff, it helps with that. This specifically is for the cards, to put them in and out of the card machine. This is cute. It says Love Pink. Lysol. You never know when you might just have to spray something on down. Gotta keep it. Lotion. Baby, I know my hands is ashy in this video, but that's neither here nor there. We're not paying attention to that. We're looking at the thought at hand right now. But get into it. Keep lotion in your bag, in your purse. I don't care if it's a purse, man bag, toiletry bag. Keep a little thing of lotion with you, because that's the worst, to be ashy and you trying to find lotion. So what do you have to do? You got to use lip gloss and Carmex and stuff to get the ash out. Yes, I'm not afraid to say that I've used lip gloss before, because I ain't had no lotion with me. We keeping it real trill over on this channel. Y'all know how we get. And while we talking about lip gloss, I always keep the dollar store or the beauty supply store lip gloss. They have the best lip gloss, because it be nice and plump, make your lips real succulent, and you just be looking real good. Real edible, real good. Another thing, we have the little keypad tool. You know, when the 19 was going on, you didn't want to touch anything. I still don't want to touch anything. So if you at the ATM or if you at the store and you got to touch the keypad, use this. Don't. Because I ain't going to say they don't be disinfecting it, but I know when I be in there. Another thing beauty supply stores be having is the good old dupe perfumes. The Victoria's Secret. Good. Smells good. Keep Keep a little roll-on with you, or a little the little vials when they give you like a sample. Always keep a smell good with you, because first of all, you don't know when you gotta reapply perfume, or you don't know when you gotta blow somebody else's bathroom up. And you know what I mean, when you gotta do anything other than number one. You want to have a little spray, because sometimes the courtesy flush don't work. So sometimes you got to have a little Lysol, a little perfume. You got to do something. Okay? Do something. Next we have, this is a step counter. You know, we trying to unbig our bags just a little bit. You know, I still like my big bag, you know, because I love the big bag snacks. But a little step counter, just to, you know, count your steps if you're interested in that. And then last but not least, you know, we got to put a little key charm on our purse. We love the key charm, the decorations. It is what it is. Like, you have to have something cute. Like, it's just something spunky. And y'all know I love shiny stuff. Cute. Very cute, very demure. I don't know why I like using that word, because I don't even use that word, but everybody doing it, so it's demure. But now that I done showed y'all what can fit in this little bag, it's so cute. Like, it closes like this. Boom. Then it closes like this. Ba-boom. And there's still more room. As you can see, there's still more room. Now, how would you keep this clean? I don't know, because with this being like a terry cloth, I don't know, maybe if you could wash it inside out, but put it in like one of those laundry bags that you can put like your delicates on so it don't get tore up. That's what I would say. Or wash it in cold, or hand wash it. Spot wash it, get a toothbrush. I don't know. I'm not going to sit up here and lie to y'all, because when I get a stain, I just clean it however I clean it. But yeah, this is what fits in this little Chanel-y little bag that's so cute. Pink is definitely giving spring, summer, but you can wear it whatever. And I just wanted to bless one of the family members with the bag and everything in it. You probably was like, we knew it, you was just taking forever, just forever. I know, I was taking forever, I'm sorry. But yeah, one of the family members are going to win this. Once again, follow the rules. Make sure you follow the channel, like the video. Follow my Instagram. It's the same name, Rare Secrets. If you have social media, if you don't, that's okay. You can still apply. Even if you won in prior contests, you still, like, I don't want y'all to be like, well, I won already. If you don't try to get up on this, I don't care if you won whatever in the past. You can still apply, y'all. And this applies for everybody. New followers, existing followers. I don't even call y'all followers. I don't like that word. Family members. Y'all get what I'm saying. You know, I'll be trying to use the little YouTube technical words, but if you're new to the channel, or if you're an oldie but goodie, you could still apply. So once again, make sure you follow the channel, like the video, follow the Instagram if you have social media, and also make sure you put in the comments down below the word hashtag. Let's see, because y'all know I be trying to figure out a word. Hashtag Lucky Charms. I don't know. I was looking at one of Luna's toys and it says Lucky Charms. So we're going to say Lucky Charms. And that's LUCKYCHRMS. Y'all know how we get down over here. Yeah, y'all. So this is my little what's in my bag / giveaway. May the best family member win. And I love y'all to pieces. I was about to say back to pieces, but y'all know my words be scrounged up, and y'all know I be having fog brain, but that's neither here nor there. I love y'all to the moon and back, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.